Welcome to Education Lifeline. This is Tibro Paul, and today we will be going over a tip that will help you multiply any two binomials together. Using this tip, you will be able to multiply binomials in a systematic way with less chance of error. When given two binomials, like the example shown here, you can use the infamous mnemonic FOIL to multiply them together. FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, and last. This means that you simply multiply the first term of each binomial together, then the outer terms, the inner terms, and finally the last term of each binomial. Then you simplify the remaining terms. If this video was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to Education Lifeline. For a more detailed video on the multiplication of binomials, a video will be linked in the description below as well as the top right-hand corner of your screen. Thanks for watching.